Today, we're embarking on a journey to transform your cleaning routine from chaotic to calming. We'll be sharing 3 brilliant ways to organize your cleaning supplies, bringing a sense of peace and order to this often overlooked area of our homes. Let's dive in and discover the joy of tidying up, even in the most unexpected places. First, though, please take a second and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss a new episode. Imagine opening your cleaning cupboard and feeling a sense of calm wash over you. That's the magic of clear containers. Start by gathering all your cleaning supplies and grouping similar items together. All-purpose cleaners with their companions, glass cleaners sparkling together, and microfiber cloths neatly folded in a happy little family. Choose clear containers that spark joy when you hold them. Glass jars, acrylic boxes, or even repurposed storage bins can all bring a sense of lightness to your space. As you place each item into its new home, take a moment to appreciate its purpose. These are the tools that help us create a clean and happy home, a space where we can truly relax and recharge. Label each container clearly, not just with the contents, but also with a touch of intention. Sparkling surfaces for your glass cleaner or gentle touch for your delicate surface sprays. These labels serve as gentle reminders of the purpose these items serve in our lives, encouraging us to treat them with care and respect. Remember, tidying is not just about organizing objects. It's about cultivating a mindful relationship with our belongings and creating a home that sparks joy in every corner. Let's bring our cleaning tools out of hiding and give them a place of honor on a pegboard. This simple addition can transform your cleaning routine, making it easier and more enjoyable to find what you need. Imagine a blank canvas, ready to be customized with hooks, baskets, and shelves to perfectly accommodate your cleaning tools. Each item, from your trusty scrub brush to your favorite spray bottle, can have its own designated spot. Measure your available wall space and choose a pegboard that fits comfortably. You can find pegboards in a variety of materials, from classic white to natural wood, allowing you to seamlessly blend this organizational solution into your existing decor. Now comes the fun part, arranging your tools. Hang your most frequently used items at eye level for easy access, while lesser used tools can reside a bit higher or lower. Small baskets attached to the pegboard are perfect for storing cleaning cloths, sponges, and other small essentials. You can even add a small shelf for holding cleaning solutions or decorative plants to bring a touch of life to your cleaning station. As you hang each tool, visualize yourself effortlessly grabbing it, ready to tackle any cleaning task with ease. This visual reminder of order and efficiency can transform your cleaning routine from a chore into a mindful act of caring for your home. Let's introduce a touch of mobility into our cleaning routine with a rolling cart. This versatile companion will become your trusted sidekick, carrying your cleaning essentials from room to room with grace and ease. Imagine gliding through your home, your cleaning supplies effortlessly trailing behind you. No more lugging heavy buckets or making multiple trips to gather scattered supplies. Choose a rolling cart with multiple tiers to maximize storage space. The top tier can house your most frequently used cleaners and tools, while the lower tiers can hold extra cloths, sponges, and other cleaning essentials. Consider adding a caddy to the top tier to corral smaller items like brushes, scrubbers, and spray bottles. This prevents them from rolling around and creates a sense of order within the cart itself. You can even personalize your cleaning caddy with a touch of your unique style. Add a small vase with fresh flowers, a decorative tray for holding cleaning cloths, or a label holder to clearly identify the cart's contents. As you fill your rolling cart, imagine it as a mobile cleaning sanctuary, a compact and organized haven for all the tools that help you create a clean and joyful home. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a more organized and joyful cleaning experience. Remember, tidying up is not just about creating a visually appealing space, it's about cultivating a mindful relationship with our belongings and appreciating the role they play in our lives. And be sure to share your own cleaning organization triumphs with us in the comments below. Until next time, may your homes be filled with peace, joy, and sparkling clean surfaces.